People today mostly rely on WordPress for their websites. But as your website grows, the need for maintenance starts to increase. So in this video, we list 5 WordPress maintenance services that will help maintain website speed, security, and boost your site to help rank on the search engine. The first is FixRunner. FixRunner is a popular WordPress maintenance services with many positive qualities. They have 24/7 customer care for any type of troubleshooting problems. Tell them any problem about your site to get them fixed in minutes. You can even talk with experts and ask any questions. Features include one-time fix, cloud backup, 24/7 security monitoring, pay-on-results service, and all types of WordPress updates. The second is WeLab. WeLab is a web agency that will assist you to solve the digital challenges with WordPress and WooCommerce. It is the first company to provide support from one single store to a complete marketplace. Since 2008, WeLab is a trusted name in the WordPress industry. Features include work with skilled developers, 100% confidential assurance, extreme customization according to your need, pixel-perfect design, and 24/7 technical support. The third service is WP Buffs. WP Buffs has been controlled by an expert web developer team from Washington since 2016. This management service does regular performance inspections, troubleshoots security problems, and helps you to make decisions besides website management. Features include 24/7 website edits, speedy optimization, cloud storage and backup, weekly updates, and malicious element removal. The fourth service is GoWP. GoWP is a website management service that helps startups, agencies, and empowers them with professionals. They have blog writers, account managers, and WordPress website page builders. Features include content editing, automatic case studies, professional blogging service, professional website building, and hiring WordPress professional service. The last service is Codeable. Codeable works as a freelancer platform. This service will find you an expert freelancer. It only focuses on problems within WordPress. Like GoWP, they have a wide range of WordPress personnel, such as site builders, copywriters, programmers, and editors. Features include veteran WordPress experts, rigorous screening process, more than 530 developers to choose from, expert support team, and free project estimates. And that's it! But if you are selling WordPress plugins and need a system that can support and manage your plugins, then you can check out Appsero. It lets you analyze, license, and even deploy your plugins from one single platform. Finally, Appzero lets you sell and manage your developed plugins with all its users at the same time. For more information on managing, licensing, and analyzing your WordPress plugins, be sure to check out Appzero and subscribe to our channel.